Now that we have successfully created a new device, let's go ahead and take a look the detail and also the data. So as we can see here that there's no data yet. So let's use the device simulator application provided by Artik Cloud. Again, let's go to the console and execute the device simulator. Let's list the device, Alt D, and here we have device ID, device type ID, and so on. So in order to simulate the data publishing from the device to the cloud, we use device simulator to run some kind of scenario. And for that, we need to create the scenario. So create scenario, an empty scenario. Let's copy paste the device ID and name this scenario. Let's say scenario 1. Okay. So the scenario will be saved here. Scenario1.json is created, and we can see here the scenario1.json. Let's open it up. What happened? Let's open it here. Okay, this is the scenario1.json, and then here we've defined the data and the config, how the simulated value will behave. So I have created previously. Let me just copy paste it, and then on the data property we define the default value for each field that we want to publish. For detected, heart rate, timestamp. It depends on the device type that you select the device for. So here also we can see that it reflects the field that we are able to publish. Okay, so again, this is the default value, and then on the config property we will define the behavior of the simulated data. So let me copy paste them. So false detected, the value will be boolean, true or false. It just cycle through true and false. The heart rate will be random, temperature also will be random, and the timestamp will be incremental by 1 for the period of 1000 milliseconds. And this scenario will be also run within 1000 interval. So yeah, let's execute the scenario. So for running the scenario, we can use the run scenario command, or RS. We supply the device ID and also the name of scenario. Boom. So the device simulator will start to publish some data based on the behavior of the scenario. So as you can see, the timestamp will be incremental, the heart rate will be random, the temperature also will be random. And let's see if we can get the data from the dashboard. So here we check the field that will be displayed. Okay, and then I think we can just start play here. Right, so here it is. So this is the real data that published by device simulator. Okay, so you can see that the temperature will be some value between 36 and 40, right? 35 and 40. And then the heart will be some value between 70 and 90. Right. So we have successfully published some data. Let's try from the real device. Let me stop it.